Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the realm of cutting-edge performance with the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM. This memory module is here to push the boundaries of your system's capabilities, and I'm your host. Let's dive right in. Some text goes here. First things first. What sets the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 apart? Well, it's all about being at the forefront of technology. This memory module introduces DDR5 memory, taking us to new heights with faster frequencies, greater capacities, and jaw-dropping performance. It's a game-changer, folks. But why does speed matter? In today's world of computing, our CPUs are becoming powerhouses with more cores than ever before. DDR5 ensures your high-end CPU gets the data it needs swiftly. This translates to lightning-fast processing, rendering, and buffering, perfect for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. Now, here's a nifty feature: onboard voltage regulation. This makes overclocking a breeze, and you can fine-tune it with the CORSAIR iCUE software. It's an upgrade over the previous generation motherboard control, giving you more stability and control. But wait, there's more. You can unleash the full potential of your RAM with custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles. Create and save your personalized XMP profiles through iCUE. This allows you to tailor your RAM's performance to specific applications or tasks, boosting overall efficiency. Speaking of iCUE, it's a powerful software that accompanies this memory module. With it, you get real-time frequency readings, onboard voltage regulation control, and the ability to craft your XMP profiles. It's the control center for your DDR5 RAM. Let's talk design. The CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 boasts a sleek and compact module optimized for Intel motherboards. It features tightly screened high-frequency memory chips, ensuring your PC can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. And, of course, there's the distinctive solid aluminum heat spreader. Not only does it keep your memory cool during those intense gaming sessions, but it also ensures compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and CPU coolers. It's a balance of form and function. Lastly, reliability is key. CORSAIR stands by its product with a limited lifetime warranty. That's your peace of mind for years to come. The Vengeance DDR5 continues the legacy of memory performance we've come to expect from CORSAIR. To sum it up, the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM is the future of memory performance. With DDR5 technology, onboard voltage regulation, custom XMP profiles, and the power of CORSAIR iCUE, it's a true game-changer. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who demands the best, this RAM module has got you covered. If you found this review helpful or have any questions about the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5, drop us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Have you made the jump to DDR5 yet? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tech savvy.